Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to copy and paste attributes on the all video clips in CapCut PC. First, drag to the video to the timeline, cut it, delete, put that second video to the timeline, put the third video on the timeline and fourth video on the timeline. Click on the first media, go to the adjustment and I have increased some brightness in the video clip. So if you apply this process on all clips, that it will take too much time. So how you can copy and paste this attribute to the all other clips? You just need to right click and here you will see that the copy attributes, and if you want to apply on all these video clips, select it, right click and paste attribute, or either you can control shift plus V and here simply paste it. Now play it. Let's see. And similarly, if you apply any animation, for example to apply zoom in animation on the first video clip, so what you have to do again, control C, either you can control C or right click and copy attributes, and then again control A and control shift plus V and then paste. It's boom. Let's play it. So here you can see that this attributes is apply on the all video clips. So this is very simple and very easy. I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.